Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by launching Bandlab and creating a new project. This gets you into the interface fast. Once signed in, tap Create, then pick Voice, Instrument, or Mix so you're tracking the right source. Make sure Bandlab has microphone permission, otherwise you won't capture audio. Next, set your tempo and toggle the metronome to keep time. Once done, check input level with the visual meter and trim excess noise. This first step ensures solid takes and prevents basic recording issues down the line. Now you'll record and build your song by adding tracks and layering parts. Hit record and use punch-in or loop mode to capture multiple passes. This gives you clean comping options. Once you have clips, apply effects, EQ, and gain per track to carve space in the mix. Use split and fade handles to tighten edits and drag clips on the timeline to arrange structure. Make sure to save versions as you work. That way, if a change fails, you can revert without losing progress. Finish by mixing. Set relative levels, pan for width, and add a mastering preset if you want a quick polish. Once balanced, tap Export and choose WAV or MP3, selecting sample rate and bit depth that suits streaming or sharing. Make sure to name the project and add tags before uploading. If you run into problems, like distorted audio or dropouts, clear the app cache, restart Bandlab, and check Android's input device settings or reconnect your USB/BT interface. That usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.